painstakingly worked hard to build opportunities and innovate ways for the world to see and know that more than its diverse offerings, it really holds the capacity to afford visitors and tourists their varying needs and demands. Therefore, it is with much enthusiasm that this year's World Travel Expo at Southern Mindanao finally kicked off today, as we deem this a great platform to push more Davao's tourism to the global arena.
At ang ngiti ng may kapal, taglay ng bawat nilalang. May lambing na tumutuyan sa buong pakiramdam. Piliin mo ang inang Pilipinas, kapulo ang kwintas ng perlas. Piliin mo, yakapin mo, kayamanan niyang likas. Piliin mo ang Pilipinas.
Tourism also wish to leverage our digital platform as we wish to improve our marketing and promotion strategies to attract more visitors and showcase the Davao's diverse attraction to the country and eventually, hopefully, to the world. We also plan to attend more regional travel events to continuously promote local tourism and encourage communities. While challenges lies ahead, they also bring countless opportunities such as this. As we embark on this journey towards tourism excellence, let's stay dedicated to sustainability, inclusivity, and innovation. Together, let us unleash Davao City's full tourism potential, ensuring that every visitor leaves with unforgettable experiences. Daghang salamat, and again, mabuhay.
Pilipinas,